The people of Brussels are a remarkable blend of calm sophistication and quiet cultural fire, a mix that often surprises visitors who expect the city to be overshadowed by louder European capitals like Berlin. Where Berliners are known for their rebellious creativity and raw artistic energy, the people of Brussels express their uniqueness through subtle elegance, multilingual charm, and a deep appreciation for history woven into everyday life. Brussels residents effortlessly switch between French, Dutch, English, and sometimes German, making the city feel like a living linguistic symphony. They carry a gentle pride in being at the heart of the European Union, surrounded by diplomats, thinkers, and global decision-makers, yet they remain grounded, warm, and approachable. Unlike Berlin's edgy nightlife culture, Brussels people find joy in cozy cafes, long conversations over waffles and chocolate, and weekend strolls through medieval streets that whisper stories of centuries past. Their sense of humor is famously dry and intelligent, often delivered with a straight face that leaves outsiders guessing whether they're joking or serious. Brussels locals love art just as much as Berliners, but their style leans towards surrealism, inspired by legends like René Magritte, whose influence still shapes the city's creative soul. They're passionate about comics, proudly celebrating Tintin, the Smurfs, and a long tradition of graphic storytelling that Berliners admire but do not share in the same way. Brussels people are also deeply community-oriented. They value neighborhood markets, local bakeries, and small traditions that keep the city feeling intimate despite its international importance. Their food culture is another point of pride. While Berliners enjoy currywurst and Döner, Brussels residents elevate simple ingredients into masterpieces, from crispy frites to rich mussels cooked in wine. They're patient, polite, and surprisingly open-minded, welcoming newcomers with a gentle curiosity rather than overwhelming enthusiasm. Brussels people love festivals, but theirs are more whimsical and artistic compared to Berlin's bold techno gatherings. They celebrate flowers, folklore, beer craftsmanship, and even giant puppets that parade through the streets. Their relationship with time is also different. Berlin moves fast and loud, but Brussels moves at a thoughtful, steady rhythm that allows people to savor life. Despite being calm, Brussels residents are incredibly resilient. They've rebuilt their city through wars, political shifts, and cultural transformations, always emerging with grace. They value balance. Work, family, leisure, and culture all coexist harmoniously. Their multicultural identity makes them adaptable, empathetic, and globally aware. In Brussels, you'll meet people who can discuss philosophy, politics, chocolate, and football with equal passion. They are proud of their heritage, yet open to the world, making the city feel like a bridge between cultures. And while Berliners often express themselves boldly, Brussels people reveal their depth slowly, layer by layer, like a story that becomes more beautiful the more you read it. This quiet complexity is what makes them unforgettable, a community that blends tradition with modernity, humor with intellect, and local warmth with international spirit, creating a human landscape as rich and layered as the city itself.